Assalamualaikum Rahmatullah and Barakatuh. Welcome in my YouTube channel Auto Master. So today we have got a car which has scratches in its doors. These scratches are very deep on doors. It's right in the middle of the scratch door. Painter Ershad will remove the scratch-through car. Now we'll start working on it. Painter Ershad has started work on it. Painter Ershad first applied paint with his fingers in these scratches. First applied paint on the lawn line. Similarly, paint is applied slowly on long scratches. Then apply paint on the next scratch with the help of fingers. Similarly, the side of the scratch is covered with paint. Now the painter will remove the scratchers through the card. Painter cleaning the card. The painter is cleaning the card so that no dust is on the card, so that the paint does not get spoiled through the dust on the card. The painter cleaned the card correctly slowly to help paint for no dust. Now you will see how to paint with card. Painter is slowly getting the paint corrected through the card. The painter is painting through cuts the right way the doors. Ershad painting the door with experience using card. This is a short clip we made for you, so that you guys know exactly how to paint with how to remove with card. If your car has similar scratches, so stay with us to avoid trouble.